Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our awning. In this case we have an electrical awning. Not all units come with an electrical awning. You can choose to have a manual awning if you'd like. But in this case we have an electrical one. Right now our awning is in the retracted position. And we have a panel that's located just inside our doorway at the entrance to our Airstream. We have an on-off switch. Right now it's in the off position. We're going to flip the switch to the on position. And right away a green indicator, LED indicator, is going to show the status of our awning. It's in the closed position with the LED just above the word close. We're going to open the awning at this point just by pressing the open button, and it'll start the operation and opening of our awning. Continuing on with our awning operation, you can see that we have it fully extended at this point. If there's any wind at all, we want to have our awning retracted, because at any point in time we may have a gust of wind that'll come up. Also, during misty drizzle rain, we can leave the awning up, but we want to tilt one corner of the awning to allow that water to run off. If we didn't tilt the awning, water would tend to pool, even in misty drizzle rain, right here in the center of the awning, and at some point creating enough weight that might bend this bar out here on the end of the awning. So by tilting the end of the awning one corner, and we have a tilt button right here on our display panel, we have tilt front or rear. In this case we're going to tilt the front of the awning for the simple reason that that water will run off towards the front, allowing us to go in and out of our entrance. If we tilted the rear of the awning, we would be tilting this back corner, therefore restricting the opening and closing of our door, or allowing us to go in or out of our Airstream. So I'm going to depress the tilt front, and you can see that our front corner of our awning is tilting. And now we can still go in and out and open and close our door with the awning tilted in the front. And when we're ready to go ahead and retract our awning, we simply hit the tilt front button to raise it to the full extended position. And once it's in that position, we hit the close button. And that completes the retraction of your awning, electrical awning of your Airstream. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.